Ang galing. So class. I'm so excited. Galing dito. Wow. Wow. What's your order, sir? All right, so that's the Grand Hyatt Hotel, Manila. Wow. Wow. Ito naman tayo. Tabi-tabi lang to. Ito naman, Grand Hyatt. Hindi ko alam na nasa Grand Hyatt na pala ako na kami dito. So ito, pasok lang tayo dito. Uy, may check-in counter pa. Okay lang ba? Thank you. Nag-video kami. Hi, how are you? Grand Hyatt. Hi, kumusta na ba? Ang ganda ng grand entrance nyo. Wow. Chinese, oh yeah. Chinese New Year. Kong Hepa Choy. Galing. Yun, there's someone playing the piano. Well, according to my source, ito kasi layer-layer yung stages nila. Parang rice terraces. On that side right there, it's a lower portion. And then another level where the piano is. And the next one, ayan, look at that. It's going up there. Ang galing. It's a good concept, ha? Yep. Akit naman tayo dito sa hagdanan. It's the first time I'll be climbing stairs like this. Look at that. Full of glass and full of lights. Wow. I feel like a very important person going up these stairs. Wow. Ang galing. But what? Siguro naman hindi na kayo madadapa. Kasi talagang maliwanag ang hagdanan eh. Wow. Woo. Hello. Such a beautiful place to visit. Wow. Wow, we are now here at the cellar. Wow, galing. Look at that. Wow, and this place is very exclusive. So if you have a very important, if special guest or maybe like a special occasion, yan, pwede dito. Ang galing. So class. I'm so excited. Galing dito. Wow. Wow. What's your order, sir? I feel like in caviar and cognac or something like that. I feel like in a different dimension right now. Sa parang nasa Rome. Wow. Such a beautiful place. Wow. That's the main restaurant. Now we are proceeding to the main restaurant. That's a very exclusive one. Another cellar here. Another cellar here for exclusive occasion. Wow. Wow, still at Grand Hyatt. Grabe. Parang mga ginto, diamante. Imagine that. Very, very, very popular to for sure and very expensive. Wow. Oh, eh kung marami naman kayong pera, medyo magtapon lang. Ganun lang ang buhay. Hindi naman life is too short. Hindi na madadala sa langit yun. So, we're going up. Okay, so press the button. So here's the peak where we're going for coverage. Yung mga live band dito. Ayan ang mga performers. Schedule. Wow. Let's see. Let's find out. And I'll show you around. Okay. And now we're going up to the peak.
Which is floor
Which
number.
is which is on the 62nd floor. It's a count up, not count down. 27, 28, 29, 30, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Yes! Here we go. Wow, very exclusive ang lugar na to. And according to my source, 18,000 pesos lang naman daw ang minimum charge na consumables. So, kung mapera ka, okay lang. Makita nyo, ang ganda ng view. Wow. Nice. So, this is actually a bar at the top of this Hyatt Hotel. Very exclusive. Ang ganda. Of course, medyo mahal-mahal. It's worth naman no? Kaya, no regret kung pupunta ka dito to spend something out of your what you have. So nice. Ang galing. There's the bar. Yung brother-in-law nakikipag-usap lang to inquire. Kasi we have some visitors coming tomorrow or the next day. So we're planning to have maybe a hangout place. Kaya watch out lang. Okay? Stay tuned on my YouTube channel. Leon's World SL. Yo. Galing. Here's the bar. Wow, it's sunset. Galing. Thank you. Galing. Timing, Saudi. Yeah. Galing. We're on the 62nd floor. Amazing sight. Okay. Wow, it's really pretty. That's the Manila Bay. Marina Bay sunset. We're at Quezon City. This is Globa, BGC. Look at the high rises. Looks like. Now, we are about to go back to the lobby. Dami ng pinto. Naliligaw kami. Oh. Ayun. Thank you so much sa lady na nag-accommodate sa amin to show around. And she's very kind and accommodating. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Sige ho. Wow. This is such an amazing place. Ang galing. Thank you very much, Rudolph. Dinala mo ako dito at least na-cover ko itong really a high-end place. Also exclusive place to hang out. So, pag napunta ka dito, you got it. It's the best among the best. Ambience. Have you seen the sunset? Wow, you're on top of the world. Just in time yung coverage natin, palubog na yung araw. So, we are able to see the Manila Bay sunset. Thank you so much. Wow. Ito na tayo. Balik na tayo sa lobby. Wow. Yan. Well, we're just exiting this Grand Hotel. Kaya, look at the main door nila. Ang taas, parang pintuan ng mga higante. Wow. Talaga naman kasi mga big time ang pumupunta dito. Para higante sa dami ng pera. Wow. Amazing place. Another amazing place na kinover ng Leon's World SL. Yo. Woo. Wow. That's it. I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Leon's World SL. Yo.